What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to remove the diffuser. So we're going to go through the steps of how to remove the diffuser. So first I'm going to start by removing this cover here, and then we'll move on from there. All right, so now that we've got that removed, all we have to do is remove the remainder of these screws here, and then we'll take out the rest of these Torx bits, get them all out, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so these bolts right here, they require for you to put a, hold them down to 10. There's a nut on the other side. You want to put this on the other side. So one bit of correction here. These bolts here, so if you see where this bolt is here at the bottom, you actually do not have to unscrew this because it's holding in the heat shield in place. That nut that I showed you, you can actually disregard that because it's holding that in place. So all you have to screw out are the other bolts, and you should be good to go with the diffuser. Okay, so now that all of the screws are out, there are some spots here along here. There's a tab right in here on the inside, and there's some tabs. I don't know if you can see them from here. There's some tabs along on the inside. I'm gonna try to go from the back and show you. But the tab on this section here, it's pretty short, and so you gotta work that thing. So I'm gonna go in there with this to try to work it, but let me see if I can show you exactly what we're dealing with here. So up in this space, it's probably really hard to see, but right around this corner, right around here is where that tab is. And then you've got other tabs, like this one here, and this one here. You've got to release all these tabs in order to get the diffuser to release. So I'll try to get the best angles that I can here, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get in there and release those tabs. So you can just kind of, since I showed you the general area, it's right about right here. So what you want to do is you want to kind of just feel for it, and as you feel in there, you'll be able to know when you're touching that tab, and then you just want to kind of pry up on it so that it'll release. And depending on your exhaust setup, you might be able to reach the tabs from here. So because I only have 2 pipes here, I can put my hand inside here. See, there's a tab right here. So I pull down on that tab. There's a tab here. And I can reach across and kind of touch a lot of those tabs to release the diffuser. So that's it. You just got to work it, shift it, release the tension in the spots where there's tension, and you should be able to get it to come out. So here we go. So that's it, you just gotta keep working it until it gets loose, and then you just pull forward. And that's how you remove the diffuser. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. You can see it's a little bit of a challenge. Let me show you here. So let me show you here. This is the tab right here that we're working with. This tab, these tabs here, all of these tabs are what you gotta release in the process. They're everywhere across to secure the diffuser in place. So yeah, that's what you're working with. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As for the diffuser, it's off, we're done, you got the steps. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.